Guys, first day of school. Yan, mag-hi ka nak.
Hi!
First day of school. Yan, good morning. Hawak ka sa akin nak.
Okay po.
Aga namin no. Naglalakad lang. Walang pera pang walang pera pag sakay. Eto, naglalakad na lang. Good morning!
Well back!
Oh,
Hi!
naka-English na siya. Grade 3. Grade 3 student. Yan. Genius daw siya. Oh. Hello, mag-hello ka na. Good morning.
Good morning!
Mag-hi guys ka muna.
Hi guys!
Good morning. I'm back to school.
I'm back to school.
Good morning guys. Hello, good morning. Hi.
Good morning, Section Mahusay.
Wow, section mahusay daw siya. Grade 3 student. Mahusay. Hello, good morning, good morning. Hello guys, good morning. Eto na, malapit na kami sa school. Naglalakad lang kasi. Yan. Oh, tawid. Okay. Magbabay muna ako guys. Bye-bye guys. Good morning. Okay. Parang wala pati yata yung andyan na. Eto. Sige. Mamaya ko napatayin. Kasi pagpasok ko sa school, iikot ko pa. Yan. Good morning. Good morning guys. Ito na, papasok na. Good morning guard. Asan banda yung grade 3? Sa taas. Oh, thank you po. Ang kulit. Good morning. Hello. Nasa taas po ba yung grade 3?
Yes po.
Thank you po, sir. Hi guys, dito na kami sa school. Okay, bye-bye. Wait lang. Second floor. Bye-bye guys.
First floor.
Second floor to dito. Mahusay. Number 32. Ano to? Oh, dito yung school mo nak. Hi, good morning po.